Hello guys, I'm just clarifying that I'm not good in English. This is the words that I can apply for my subject, NSTP, CYTS. So I did my best to speak in front of you. I know some of my words are wrong grammar, and I'm so sorry for that. I hope you understand and learn my content on how to plant Malabar spinach.
Why I choose Malabar spinach? We all know that Malabar spinach is a common plant here in the Philippines, and it is easy to grow fast, that no hassle.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So today I decided to plant Malabar spinach because I know that Malabar spinach is easy way for the beginners to plant in every houses or in the yard rather. Mm, my I just want to introduce myself first before I start. So my name is Jessica Molie.
This week, I started to plant Malabar spinach. Just watch! It's my area that I want to plant Malabar spinach. So, we need to cut all to clean before you plant. So guys, first step is need to cut this into two. Yeah, this. Then combine this, then put in the soil. We need to Malabar spinach root. This is so just combine it. Then if the Malabar spinach is long, just cut into two. Okay? Then just like here, just watch what I so here guys. So you need to line or just line it in the row, the column to with a good result. And just then another one, just add. So just line, and another one is Then line again. Just line and line. Then so the third step is to soak a water. Soak a water. Amount of water. Soak amount of water to absorb. I'm so guys, and now I just end this and I continue second week of to check it if we have no if we have good results. Stay tuned. Bye. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm here today because this is my second week of my gardening. So last time I mentioned to check my gardening if what happened. So I checked the results.
Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So today is my third week of gardening.
So guys, I decided to build spinach climb. So yeah, you have to wire. Ito 'yon. Gamit agro. Yan lang dito. Dito ka. Stop lang. Kita. So I'm not done. I soak a water.
So guys, I'm done to build climbing spinach. So I'll update you in the fourth week of gardening. So
So guys,
goodbye.
welcome back. So this is my fourth week of gardening. So just what? And now guys, I'm decided to pick up or cut the leaves because it will already sprout, and if you want to spread more, just cut it for the effective, and it will sprout new leaves, green leaves. So guys, I'm done to picking up Malabar spinach. So guys, I'm done to soak a water since I'll end this video because I'm done to picking or cut the leaves my garden, Malabar spinach. So I'll update you if I'm already done cook lauoy. So guys, welcome back. So here I eat na so my banana spinach.